Hey guys, this is how you make yourself sound like voicemail. First off, I'm just going to retrieve the link that I have. AI made it though. The link is in the description. And then you want to upload your audio sample. In this case, it's going to be Kinder Surprise Ferrero. It's okay to set it to 10, but if you want to set it to 50, there might be a lot of ringing.
You want your jacket?
No. And now let's hear the final version.
Kinder. Unscrappy.
Well, now you can make it like a voicemail. You could even download the freaking thing. And now I can